guess where I am? In my car, aka not in my living room, which is amazing because I've been there for the past 5 weeks. And you know, I have been social distancing, I have been staying inside, I have been washing the crap out of my hands. I'm over it. And I appreciate the pandemic, trust me, I'm not trying to ignore that stuff. But remember when I moved to Iceland? I didn't move to Iceland to like sit on my couch and, you know, head on over to the kitchen every couple of hours. It's the most beautiful day today. It's incredible. The weather is so nice. The sun is out. I think it's probably like mid-50s. It's time to go. I gotta go see the nature, the reason I moved to this country, and it's gonna be amazing. It'll be really, really interesting to see some of the sights without tourists at it. And I'm gonna take you with me. So let's go on an adventure, you know? It's time for a road trip. Exhibit A of a parking lot that is normally very full. It's us and one other car. It's having a picnic. No one else here to enjoy this beautiful, beautiful weather. Thingvellir. I've never seen this few cars here. Midday. In what's going to be the start of peak tourist season. So this is what it looks like. No one on the viewing platform. So this parking lot here, as well as this parking lot over here, normally filled with cars. Here is the major walking path between the continents. No one. Just no one. The sad day at Thingvellir. You guys know I couldn't travel around the Golden Circle and not stop at my favorite ice cream spot. So even the locals know you gotta stop at F's Dollar. So they know what's up. Let's go in and get some ice cream. Busy still, but nothing like usual. Locals are out exploring their country. I'm impressed. Hi friends, I'm here at Geysir. More people here than I expected. It's still so weird to not see about 100 tourists at one time around that guy. Just waiting to erupt. It is very enjoyable here, I have to say, and not just because there's not so many people, but it's beautiful. Still a little bit windy, so that's normal. But just the day and the blue sky makes the colors of the geothermal water just look fantastic. It is a perfect day to be out here. This is a sight you will not see again in your life. Usually there's hundreds of people surrounding this, waiting to erupt, and now there's about 7, and they're all Icelandic. In this parking lot. Welcome to Gullfoss. Sad day. Not too many people here today. This is my kind of weather. Nothing like last time we were here, and I almost got blown off the cliff. This is great. I mean, what is happening?
This is COVID. Gullfoss.
Oh my god! There's no one. So the story we were just talking about is that spot down there you used to be able to walk to, and now you can't. It's closed off. And on our honeymoon 2014, this is where we took our Christmas picture. So we were just reminiscing about that 6 years ago. Couple people here. Just a couple. Oh, look at this family's taking a family portrait down here. It's so cute. Good times. It's been a fun day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let's do it again soon.